In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Sephora Play and then the Ipsy from the month of June, and then letting you guys know which one I think is better. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing 2 unboxings in this video. I'm excited my Sephora Play has finally come. My Ipsy's been here for over a week, but before I say that, I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday, so feel free to stick around and subscribe. Also hit the bell notifications, that way you get notified whenever I post. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps me out. So as I kind of mentioned in the intro, I've actually had Ipsy for over a week, but as you can see, I have not opened that yet. I know what I'm getting and it's like mostly skincare, not mad about it, but I'm going to go into my Sephora Play first because as I mentioned, it just got here, and I don't know if I wasn't looking in the right area or if they just never told me, but I wasn't able to see my spoilers for whatever I'm getting, so I have no idea other than the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I believe it is in every box this month, and I just saw something from Pharmacy, so very excited. So this is kind of what the bag looks like this week. First off, ooh, getting real excited, messing up the lipstick, cool. So first off, there's this cute little travel size version of the Laneige lip sleeping mask, which I already love this product. I have it full size, but having a small size of this would be nice for my purse. And also this is just so adorable. I highly recommend this product if you haven't tried it out yet. So I'm very excited about the first product there. Next up is a perfume sample, I believe. Nope. We have anti-pollution shampoo. Okay, it's probably shampoo and conditioner. I don't know if I'm gonna use this or not because I'm pretty pleased with my shampoo and conditioner at the moment. But if I don't use this, I'll probably just give it to a friend, and it looks like it's only like a single use. I kind of hope that this does not count as one of my samples because this isn't really a lot to me. This is kind of a bonus. Oh, also, once again, I just get really excited. So we are going to get to comparing them, as I mentioned in the intro. The channel 11th Gorgeous, I know, does this. They have done this more with Ipsy and Birchbox, but I know that they compare it, and there's probably other channels as well. So I always like to see kind of what side by side, what comes in each subscription. So I kind of hope you guys like this as well. I think it's exciting. So continuing on, the next item, I think this is from Tarte. Yes, okay, so I did see what the possibilities were, but I wasn't sure exactly what was coming into my subscription box. So I was really excited about this. I hope that the shade is at least somewhat matchable, but I am using self-tanner at the moment, so maybe like between my tan shade or my pale shade, we can find one of them that matches kind of. But this is the Tarte Found Concealer. It's the multitasking foundation with the broad spectrum SPF 20 sunscreen. I will kind of do a little swatch on the back of my hand, but I'm pretty sure you guys would know that, you know, the back of the hand isn't going to necessarily be the same shade as your face. Also, this is like a pretty decent sample. I would say you can get you know, a few foundation uses out of that to see if you like it or not. It's a thicker consistency, which would make sense based on the name Found Concealer. So I kind of like that because sometimes you want a fuller coverage, and honestly it looks like it would be somewhat matchable. Like it seems like it's going to match me pretty well, so I'm excited to use that and see my thoughts on that. The next thing, oh, okay, so I think, yeah, this video is going up after my FabFitFun unboxing, and I got a rose water in that box as well. But this is a coconut water hydrating face mist. This is a really small sample, so honestly I might use this and maybe do something different with the full size. I don't know, but post cleaning generously mist face. But like what I said in my FabFitFun unboxing, I love the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and I feel like they're kind of different. Like this maybe, you know, I think like rose is good for you. So I'll do some research on this and see, you know, the pros and that kind of thing. I do like that it comes in a glass bottle. That's pretty nice. And this is actually a pretty decent sized sample as well. So you would definitely be able to use this for, you know, a fair amount of time, I feel like, to get to see if you really like it. The next thing, I think, yeah, this is what I saw from Pharmacy. This is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I've tried an eye cream from Pharmacy and I really liked that. This is a very interesting consistency. I'll definitely kind of like look up how to use this, but It sounds to me kind of like it's a cleansing balm, so I would assume you just kind of rub this on and it rubs away the makeup. But it does feel nice, so it smells good too. If you like the smell of, is it green tea or, I don't know, it smells kind of herbal, I guess, which would make sense. So I am also happy to see this. And then the last sample in here, make sure, yes, is something from Sephora. This is Super Hydrating Glow. This is from the Sephora brand, it looks like. It looks like a hydrating moisturizer, which I have oily skin, so I don't know how beneficial this would be to me. So overall, I would say I'm still pretty pleased with this unboxing. So let's go ahead and get into Ipsy and see what I got. Because as I said, I've looked at the spoilers, but I can't remember everything. But it is mostly skincare. Let me figure out how to open this up first. Cool, I found it. This is what the bag looks like. That's interesting, and also wasn't completely zipped up, but that's fine. Has like a Lego, to me that looks like Legos, right? Building blocks, interesting. Oh, okay, so the first thing that I see right here is from the brand First Aid Beauty, which that is a good brand, but this is, honestly, this seems like a really similar version of what this is, because this is a hydrating, oh wait, this is a primer. This to me looks like more like a moisturizer. But this is a hydrating primer, and and it does have hyaluronic acid in it. So this seems to be pretty similar, but this is a moisturizer, this is a primer. I'm not sure if I probably will try this out because I do like primers, and First Aid Beauty is a good brand. You get 0.34 ounces. So I mean, it's obviously a sample size, but I feel like that's a pretty decent size to where you could tell if you did like it or not. And it kind of divide what came from what box so I don't get confused. So next up, this is one of the thing, yeah, I think this is a hair mask or something. The Black Volume Cream Water Capping System. Also, once again, that is Milo. If you hear him over there, my dog. Gently across, oh wait, no. This is for the face until fully absorbed. So I guess this is a moisturizer. Interesting. That's just an interesting name. I wouldn't have guessed that this would be a moisturizer. Delivered to the skin for abundant skin benefits. It's reinforcing, deeply hydrating your skin for youthful. So it looks like it's really hydrating and maybe targeted more towards anti-aging, but I will still use this. I mean, I do have oily skin, but it's still good to hydrate it, obviously. But if it is kind of more thick, or thicker rather, I might use this at night instead. We shall see. But as I mentioned, this was pretty skincare heavy. Both of those items are skincare. The next item is also skincare, but Hey Honey is another good brand. This is a Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. I was happy to see this because I'm kind of into making my skin look glowy. I don't want it to look oily though, because like I said, I have oily skin. This says restore the appearance of dull skin impacted by environmental factors, and you get 0.5 fluid ounces. So I feel like a pretty standard trial size for an item. So I think that I will probably like this. I have liked Hey Honey products in the past, so I was happy to get this as well. The next thing is also skincare. Like literally this is basically a skincare sampler. But Pixi, once again, is another good brand, you guessed it. This is a Glow Mud Cleanser. Oh, this actually, I might take this whenever I travel, because this is like a good travel size. Deep Purifying Cleanser, but Glow Mud Cleanser. I'm not sure if it's a daily. Active cleanser, exfoliates to remove dead skin for all skin types. Oh yeah, it is a daily cleanser. That's interesting, because like with the term glow in it, to me that seemed more like a treatment and not necessarily an everyday thing. But it looks like, you know, it would be based on what it says on the back. So excited to try this out. And then that brings us to the last product, which is not skincare, but I can't totally remember what it is. Oh, it's a lip gloss. I don't really wear lip gloss that much, and this is a clear lip gloss. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or not, because I do have a clear lip gloss very similar to this from Huda Beauty, which I do like every now and then if for some odd reason I did want a lip gloss that was clear. So I'm a little about this, but if you like lip gloss, this does look to be pretty shiny and stuff, so you might like that. I think Sephora Play does say that you get 6 items. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think these together count as the 6th item, but if you exclude this, because Ipsy, you usually only get 5 items. Sometimes you do get a bonus item, but I personally wouldn't count this as an item. So if you kind of exclude this, or I don't know, regardless, leave that out of the picture. I would probably still say that Sephora Play is better this month. I do love skincare, but I would want more of a balance of a skincare, like maybe like 1 or 2 items of skincare, not 4. Because you do get skincare in the Sephora Play, but you also get makeup. Like, I'm very excited to try out this for sure. Also, I do love that I get a trial size of this. Like, I already have the full size product, but I know I already love this for sure. So these 2 items alone would probably, I don't know, does Sephora win? Those are the items that I'm really excited about, but this one I'm like not so much. But then I'm also excited to try out this cleansing balm as well, and I might try out the moisturizer. We'll see. Like, I like them both, but I think Sephora is just a little bit ahead of Ipsy this month. That is it with my unboxings. I know I have canceled my Ipsy just because I have had it for over 2 years and I kind of want to, you know, step away from that for a little bit. I think I've canceled Sephora as well, or at least plan to. So in July, I might look into getting BoxyCharm again if, based on the spoilers, if it looks like there's going to be a couple good items. Because what I like about BoxyCharm is you get full-size items. It's $21, which is basically double the price of Ipsy or Sephora Play, but you get 5 full-size items. So to me, that's a really good deal if you know that there's like 1 or 2 items, especially just 1 or 2 items alone that you really love. To me, that makes it worth it. So I'm going to kind of maybe look into getting BoxyCharm for July. If I do, of course, I will do an unboxing for you guys. But that concludes my video today. That includes my unboxings. Which one is your favorite, Ipsy or Sephora Play? Or which one did you like better this month? Let me know in the comments down below. Once again, thanks again for watching. I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Feel free to stick around and subscribe if you liked this video. I personally love unboxing videos, but if you like them as well, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.